Are you looking for an easy and affordable way to file your taxes? Say hello to TaxAct, your go-to online tax preparation software that not only provides live tax advice and assistance, but also caters to a variety of needs. Whether you're a homeowner, a family, an investor, or an independent contractor, TaxAct has got you covered. With a $100,000 accuracy guarantee and a strong emphasis on data security, TaxAct aims to offer you peace of mind as you navigate the tax season. Now, you might be wondering, how can I use this service? Let's move on to the step-by-step process. The first step in your journey to stress-free tax filing is signing up for TaxAct. This process is as straightforward as it gets. To kick things off, head over to TaxAct's website. From there, you'll be prompted to create an account. It's a cinch. Just key in your email, create a password, and follow the instructions. Now, here's where you get to make a choice. TaxAct provides a free federal filing option for those with basic returns. It's perfect for those who need to file a simple tax return and want to keep costs at a minimum. But if your tax situation is a bit more complex, perhaps because you're a homeowner, an investor, or an independent contractor, you might want to consider their paid options. They're designed to cater to more intricate tax scenarios. But what about your data, you might wonder? Well, TaxAct has got you covered. They prioritize data security and use encryption technology to protect your personal and financial information, so you can sign up and share your details with absolute confidence, knowing they're in safe hands. Once you've signed up, you're ready to start filing your taxes. With your account now set up, it's time to dive into filing your taxes. Filing taxes with TaxAct is a simple and intuitive process. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll need to input your personal information. This includes your name, social security number, and address. It's essential to verify this information to avoid any hiccups down the line. Next, we'll move on to your income details. Here, you'll need to input your income from various sources, such as your salary, dividends, or even rental income. TaxAct accommodates all types of income, making it a versatile tool regardless of your financial situation. But what about deductions? We all want to maximize these, right? That's where TaxAct's Deduction Maximizer feature comes into play. This feature helps you identify all the deductions you're eligible for, ensuring you don't miss out on any potential savings. It's like having a personal tax consultant guiding you through the process. Now, it's time to tackle your tax credits. Be it child tax credits, education credits, or energy credits, TaxAct can help you claim them all. Remember, every credit counts and can significantly reduce your tax liability. With all the information in place, TaxAct does the heavy lifting and calculates your tax return. The software guarantees maximum refunds, so you can rest assured you're getting the best possible outcome. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that TaxAct offers a $100,000 accuracy guarantee? That's right. They're so confident in their software that if there's a mistake in the calculation, they'll pay you up to $100,000. And just like that, you've filed your taxes. But what if you need some assistance? Sometimes we all need a little help, and with TaxAct, help is just a few clicks away. One of the standout features of TaxAct is the Expert Assist add-on. This feature provides unlimited live tax advice, making it an invaluable resource for those times when you're not quite sure what to do next. The beauty of Expert Assist is that it offers personalized advice tailored to your unique situation. Whether you're a homeowner, an investor, or an independent contractor, you'll have the opportunity to speak with tax professionals who understand your specific needs. Imagine having a team of experts at your fingertips, ready to help you navigate through the often complex world of taxes. They can answer any tax-related question you might have, from the most basic to the complex. And the best part? You don't have to be a tax expert to use TaxAct. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making tax preparation a breeze for everyone. With TaxAct, not only do you get an easy and affordable way to file your taxes, but you also get the peace of mind knowing that help is always available. TaxAct is more than just a tax preparation software. It's an affordable, user-friendly tool that caters to a broad spectrum of needs, from homeowners and families to investors and independent contractors. With features like live assistance and a vast range of options, it simplifies the otherwise daunting task of filing taxes. The software stands by its $100K accuracy guarantee and a satisfaction guarantee, providing you a sense of security and satisfaction. So why wait? Start your journey to stress-free tax filing with TaxAct today.